automatic drip fertilizer was just delivered. So let's open it and see what it looks like. Okay, I ordered this from Drip Depot, and look, they gave me two Tootsie Rolls. Here are the hoses and flow rate disc and a connector. Put that there. Directions. More stuff. So unscrew this. Okay, this is a 3/4 gallon easy flow tank. My liquid fertilizer goes in here and it mixes with the water, and it will go into my automatic drip system, or if I'm watering by hose, with the hose. So let's do some connecting and then we'll go out to my automatic drip and connect it there. Okay, the black tubing, from what I read before I order it, goes into the intake valve here. So I'm going to connect it here. Okay, that's there. The clear tubing goes into the green out, and from what I read, the reason that it's clear is so that you can see your fertilizer going out. We have push that in here. That's there. Okay. This goes, tubing goes here. This gets connected to the actual spigot itself. Okay, that one is on, and we do put the black one on to the blue one. That's that. Okay, I'm going to take out the filter. I've determined that my flow rate that I need to do will be, I'll have to use the red disc to make sure that this is correct.
Rose, tell me that you have a daughter, that you have a real...
Okay, it says that my flow rate, if I'm using a red disc, will be from 7.5 gallons per minute to 30 gallons, and that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to take this, put that in there. Make sure it's pushed down. Okay, and then we'll put tubing back in. Okay, we have on-off switch for these, for each one. So let's install these. Cut here. Okay, install that one. Install here. Okay, that one's there. We have one installed. Let's do the same thing up on this one. Push this one on here. And put this one here. Okay. Okay, so I have everything connected, and now I'm going to go over to my outside water connection and install it. Follow me. Okay, I've connected everything to my drip timer. See, the easy flow is connected to the top with the hoses coming in. I have the drip timer there, and we have the water connections connected properly. Down here, I put in some liquid fertilizer. I'm going to allow it to, I turned the valves off, so I have to allow it to pressurize first, so I'm going to turn it on. And we hear water going in and water filling up here. I see the tank filling up. Okay, I have the flow rate for the fertilizer set on high. So in a few moments, I'm going to turn on my water sprinkler, and I'm going to water my vegetables on the inside to make sure that it's working. Okay, I connected it through my water hose, or my watering wand, and I can see the formula flowing through, so it looks like I did everything correct. I'm pretty proud of myself.